I'm letting x equal the weight of one dish x and y be the weight of one dish y. And we're trying to figure out, is x less than y? As I read clue 1, I'm going to write an equation. The total weight of 3 dishes of x, so that would be 3x plus 2y, is less than the total weight of 2 dishes of x and 4 dishes of y, plus 4y. So let's subtract 2x from both sides, and that leaves me x plus 2y is less than 4y, and then subtract 2y from both sides, and that gives me x is less than 2y. Well, x is less than 2y, but that doesn't tell me x is less than y, so that doesn't work. Forget about clue 1, look at clue 2. The total weight of 4 dishes of type x, 4x, and 3y is less than the total weight of 3x, 3 dish x's, plus 4 dish y's. Let's subtract 3x from both sides, and that gives me x plus 3y is less than 4y. Now subtract 3y, and that tells me x is less than y. Clue 2 works. Answer's B.